Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about deep fried foods in the US. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is deep frying a method of cooking with hot oil? Yes, it involves immersing food in hot oil. Do Americans only deep fry vegetables? No, they deep fry all kinds of things, including desserts and snacks. Are deep fried foods only eaten during Christmas? No, they are especially popular at fairs and festivals. Is deep fried butter a real food item in the US? Yes, it's a novelty treat found at some fairs. Are French fries considered deep fried? Yes, they're one of the most popular deep fried foods. Do Americans deep fry pizza and cheesecake? Yes, these are unusual but real deep fried items found at events. Is deep frying only popular in the northeastern United States? No, it's especially loved in the southern states. Are Americans unaware of the health concerns of fried food? No, many Americans are becoming more health conscious and seek alternatives. Do people in the US use air fryers to cook without oil? Yes. Air fryers are a popular way to make fried food with less fat. Is deep frying a part of American culinary creativity and culture? Yes, it's a symbol of fun, indulgence, and tradition in American cuisine. Remember to watch this video several times to reinforce your learning. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and US culture. See you in the next adventure.